Advanced English speaking. Hey Ria, do you like Ghibli art?
Yes, I love it. It's so beautiful and magical.
Which Ghibli movie is your favorite?
I think Spirited Away. What about you?
I like My Neighbor Totoro. It's so cute.
Do you like the art style in Totoro?
Ghibli backgrounds are so detailed.
I agree. They look like paintings.
Did you know some people use AI to make Ghibli style art now?
Really? That sounds interesting.
Does it look like real Ghibli art?
Sometimes, yes. It's really close.
But I still love the old hand-drawn Ghibli art more.
Same here. It feels more warm and alive.
Who is the main artist behind Ghibli movies?
Hayao Miyazaki. He is a genius.
He adds so much heart into every frame.
That's why it feels so special.
How does AI make Ghibli art?
It learns from many Ghibli images and then makes new ones.
It's like copying the style.
But without real emotions.
Exactly. It looks good, but something is missing.
Yeah, like the soul.
What's your favorite thing in Ghibli art?
I love the skies and the clouds.
They're always dreamy.
I love the forests and nature.
Old Ghibli art feels like home.
That's true. It's very comforting.
Do you think AI can improve Ghibli art?
Maybe, but it shouldn't replace real artists.
Have you seen AI versions of Ghibli houses?
Yes. Some look very real.
But I still like Miyazaki's original ideas.
Me too. They have meaning.
Why do you think people like Ghibli art?
Because it feels magical and peaceful.
It also shows beauty in simple things.
Yes, like cooking or walking.
Do you draw Ghibli art sometimes?
I try. But it's hard.